I want you all to look at this caption that this blogger wrote. This blogger is asking 2 questions, but let me answer them for you. Warlord is not the reason why no artist move overseas. Point blank. Remember saying, one man I look for this man. One man will go by the name of AL. I look for this man. Because him said this man is the real father for the son that was given to him. Or there's a strong possibility that this man also moved overseas so that he can have all his children under one umbrella. Okay? So leg off a Warlord shirt. Remember, said the same baby mother at her 25 years in the business, introduced him on the stage as her baby daddy in front of all her lead friends and the world. Okay? And do remember, years ago, the same man here came on stage and asked, say, him want to know who it him sister. So this man turned round and impregnate him sister because the man of Jamaica look for him say, I am the real father for the son where him get. I know, Mrs. So in a social media though. So if she are your sister years ago, I know she are introduced you as the baby daddy. That means I be a family ram in a dance hall. And you know say chip never far from the black. I remember our bestie. Did he introduce one little one as him daughter? And then he turn around, put the eggplant in the daughter mouth and kill the career. Lord Jesus. What a mix up. Why? When you talk about compatibility. No, sir. This is all me have to say. Me only can say what out here and what them say. Not me say, but what them say. What them say? Them did it say.